Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of digital avatars. You know, those AI-powered representations of ourselves that are popping up everywhere. They can be used for presentations, social media, or even just for fun. We're comparing two popular platforms that let you create these digital versions of yourself, D_ID and Heygen. Both offer a range of features and customization options, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. So, which platform comes out on top? We're gonna break it all down, looking at everything from ease of use to avatar quality to pricing. Stick around to find out. First things first, how easy are these platforms to actually use? Because nobody wants to spend hours fumbling around just trying to create a basic avatar, right? With D_ID, it's all about that drag and drop life. You upload an image, choose an animation style, and boom, you've got yourself a moving, grooving avatar. It's incredibly intuitive, even if you're not super tech savvy. Heygen takes a slightly different approach. It's still pretty straightforward, but there are a few more steps involved. You can either upload an image or choose from their library of pre-made characters. Then you can customize things like your hairstyle, clothing, and accessories. Overall, I'd say both platforms are relatively easy to use, but D_ID definitely gets points for its simplicity, especially if you just want to jump in and start creating right away. Alright, so you've got your basic avatar, but what about making it your own? This is where the customization options come in. D_ID keeps it pretty simple here. You can adjust things like the background, animation style, and even add audio, but you're not going to find a ton of options for tweaking your avatar's physical appearance. Heygen, on the other hand, goes all out with customization. We're talking about changing everything from your hair and eye color to your outfit and accessories. You can even adjust your avatar's facial features to get that perfect look. If you're all about creating a truly unique avatar, Heygen is definitely the way to go. Chapter 3. Avatar quality, is it real, or is it... Okay, let's talk about the most important factor here, the actual quality of the avatars. I mean, you want your digital twin to look good, right? With D_ID, the quality can vary depending on the image you upload and the animation style you choose. Generally speaking, the avatars look pretty realistic, with smooth movements and natural-looking facial expressions. Heygen's avatars also look pretty impressive. The level of detail is really good, especially if you take the time to customize your character. However, I did notice that the animations can sometimes look a little bit stiff or unnatural. Overall, I'd say both platforms produce high-quality avatars, but D_ID might have a slight edge when it comes to realism. Chapter 4. Pricing and value, free versus paid. What's the deal? Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Both D_ID and Heygen offer free and paid plans, but the pricing and features vary. D_ID's free plan gives you access to basic features and a limited number of credits. Their paid plans offer more credits, higher quality avatars, and additional customization options. Heygen's free plan is a bit more limited, but it's a good way to try out the platform. Their paid plans start at a slightly higher price point than D_ID's, but they offer a wider range of features and higher usage limits. Which platform offers the best value really depends on your individual needs and budget. Chapter 5. User reviews. What are people saying? We've talked about our own experiences, but what are other users saying about these platforms? D_ID generally gets high marks for its ease of use and realistic avatars. Users also appreciate the platform's intuitive interface and fast rendering times. However, some users have noted that the customization options can be a bit limited. Heygen is praised for its extensive customization options and high-quality avatars. Users also like the platform's wide range of templates and characters. However, some users have reported occasional bugs and glitches. Overall, both platforms have generally positive user reviews, but it's always a good idea to read through some feedback before making your final decision. Chapter 6. The verdict, which avatar reigns supreme. So there you have it. We've taken a deep dive into the world of digital avatars with D_ID and Heygen. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a platform that's incredibly easy to use and produces realistic avatars, D_ID might be the way to go. But if you're all about customization and want to create a truly unique avatar, Heygen is definitely worth checking out. So, which platform do you think makes better avatars? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons.